So first of all guys, you must know the most important eligibility criteria or prerequisites to be considered for overseas education. First of all, if you have completed your bachelor's degree in India and you want to apply for master's program in abroad, you must know that whether you have done your bachelor's, which is of 4 years or of 3 years, because depending upon this there are different universities which will accept your CV, your profile. So there are some universities that require 12 plus 4 years of education, while some may accept 12 plus 3 years of education too. So basically the BTech degree, the bachelor's in technology, computer, that is of 4 year, and the BSc, the bachelor's we do in science, majors can be in physics, chemistry, maths, biology, anthropology or anything else, that BSc is of 3 years. So there are some less universities as compared to those which accept this 4 years program. But still in this video I'll share with you all those universities with complete detail. Secondly, you must know that the bachelor's or undergraduate of science can apply for masters in any discipline, but an undergraduate or bachelor's in arts and commerce, they can not or they may not be able to apply to science or technology courses for undergraduate program. This is very important factor. And in this video I'm basically going to discuss the abroad colleges for engineering as well as like bachelors in physics, chemistry, maths, biology, anthropology, etc. I will try to make separate videos for separate subject master program. So here we continue the eligibility criteria, that is now the test course. Obviously we know that we need English proficiency test, that is like TOEFL, IELTS or a PTE, and different band scores are required by different universities, so it cannot be generalized as such, but a band greater than 6 or equal to 6 will make you eligible. And there are some programs like masters in physics, chemistry, maths, etc., which require GRE or GMAT. This GRE is of two types. This is subject GRE as well as journal GRE. Journal GRE, there will be basic logical reasoning questions and English, and in subject GRE it will be like GRE physics, GRE chemistry, and the scores will be tested by different universities according to their admission rules and regulations. So you will have to visit the site of different universities to know whether your concerned university is accepting or not. Here I'll show some of the universities, and not but all the universities obviously. And the fourth factor to be kept in mind is the budget. It's obviously like they are very expensive. And here I'll also discuss the universities that provide scholarship. Here are some of the top universities to study physics and astronomy in US. So obviously first of all we have MIT, that is ranked 1 in 2021 QS World Ranking in Physics and Astronomy. Followed by Stanford, Harvard, University of California, Berkeley, University of California Institute of Technology. What extra you can see here is that the courses is also provided here, the list of course accepted by them, like in Harvard University, that is best for PhD in astronomy and physics, astrophysics, and Stanford University, that is for bachelors of science in aeronautics and astronautics, that is actually aerospace engineering kind of what we have in India. And in MIT, that is masters of science in aeronautics and astronautics again. University of California, that has bachelors of arts, majors astrophysics, masters of art, earth and planetary science, and master of arts, earth and planetary Science. So next we have California Institute of Technology. Here Bachelors of Science major physics, Bachelor of Science major astrophysics, Masters of Science aeronautics, Masters of Science space engineering, Master of Science planetary science, and also obviously the astrophysics. Even if you are applying for internships, that is also best way to apply by mailing the professor. You can get the email ID of the professor by the site of that university or college, and you will mail them. And basically you have to mail your CV, SOP and LORs. These are the three main requirements, and I'll make separate video explaining what should be inside, how should you mail to get accepted for the internship abroad. So stay connected to the channel and do subscribe if you want to know more about this. Now here is the list of universities that accept 3 years BSc degree for their master's entrance program. In US, that is Princeton University and University of Chicago. Princeton University will provide you full financial support if your CV is up to mark, and University of Chicago says that you need to compete with those of 4 years BSc, because both are going to apply in those universities. So here is the list of those universities which accept 3 years of bachelor's program. You can take the screenshot from here and go to their sites, visit in detail the program you want to apply for and their requirements. Though I have written over here the GRE scores, GPA and TOEFL score which you need to require for these universities. Admission in master's program, and the one I had marked are very supportive in terms of fees and scholarship. And also I have made a list of top 100 universities, so you can message me in the comment section. You can drop the comment, I'll definitely reply you back. And the best thing I want to show you is the mail of the Princeton University that I had got. I'll just show that to you. So this is their mail, and what they have mentioned is that Princeton provides full financial support which includes tuition, healthcare fees and stipend as well for first 5 years upon satisfactory academic performance. So this is a great benefit or perk you have of applying at Princeton University, that they are ready to provide full financial support, and that is given in form of fellowship for the first year and then as research assistant or research instructor. And this is from their Department of Physics, Princeton University. They had also mentioned that no degree which has length shorter than 3 years will be considered for evaluation to a bachelor's degree. So they will not evaluate your bachelor's degree to their level if it is less than of 3 years. So minimum requirement is 3 years. It can be of 4 years also. So this was all about top colleges for physics, and now I am showing some of them for engineering schools in Europe, because Europe education is quite inexpensive. In Germany there is no tuition fee. In Europe it is provided at a very low cost. It is only in US that it is quite expensive, but again there are universities which provide even full scholarship. So I will discuss them in detail also in upcoming videos, so do subscribe the channel, stay connected. And in upcoming videos we will be discussing the engineering schools in Europe and other countries which you must apply if you have done BTech, or if even you want to do BTech from abroad. We will discuss these in upcoming videos, so do subscribe the channel. And if you find this video useful, do hit the like button.